I'm just going to talk about layouts in this video. If you want to have a look at exactly what all these tabs do, then please have a look at the individual tab titles, and we've got videos that take you through those step by step. Layouts is really the flexibility to pull various tabs around the screen. So for example, I can take that, put it back into the main central screen here, and that'll push it back up to here. If I was to double click on appointment navigation, we'll then leave it floating. I could probably use that. If I wanted to like that, I would have to close it, go back to here to appointment navigation from the menu to get it back each time. And if I find myself with a floating window like this, I can also return it back here by double clicking on there. I'm also able to pull each particular tab down here into two positions, that being the first, where I'm left with an individual tab out here. I can't do anything other than resize this. If I put it into the second position, which is somewhat closer, as you can see there are two positions there, it leaves it with a bar across the top and a pin or unpin icon at the top here, which I can then push to the side and use it like that. That is also resizable. I can then resize it to the size I want, and if I push up to the menu, that will disappear and I'm back to my main screen, which is appointment details. If I push the mouse over or hover over this little tab here, then I can start to do my work from here. And then selected Stephen Smith, go up to the menu again, that disappears, and I've got Mr. Smith here for consultation. Within appointment details, I'm also able, and I wouldn't recommend it, to either reorder these tabs or indeed again push them around this particular frame here. This would take some time to work out, but it would be perfectly possible to set your consultation workflow up very differently. At the end of each of these, I've got a facility to go to any of the tabs that I might want to at any stage of the consultation, or I can just click through these. I can then save my layout. So I might want to load my new layout, or I'll save it, save new layout, and just call it version 2. I can then load the default, which would be that. When I log in, I can load v2 because I find that more convenient for my work. If I ever run into problems having closed a tab accidentally, I can either log out and log back in, or I can use this facility to restore tabs as well. So there's quite a lot of help for the user. Delete tabs, we can rename them, and we can restore tabs here. So in summary, you can move tabs around the screen and design a setup that suits your way of working. You can save those layouts and you can restore them